So I remember reading in an anti-nuclear book some time ago where the author pointed out that nuclear power plants will release millions and millions of attocuries per year into the environment without control and without restriction. And this was painted as being a horrific thing. And it sounds really bad, millions and millions of attocuries, until you realize that an attocurie is 10 to the minus 18 curies. So that is just an infinitesimally small value. And so if you say you've got millions of it, it sounds like it's really bad when it's fully within the license and it's completely safe in terms of any kind of measurable impact. That's why it's within the license. It's considered a small fraction of natural background in terms of dose potential. And so it's easy to spin the narrative to make something sound horrific when really it's quite innocuous and passive and uneventful. And so to talk about nuclear waste this way, it's kind of comparable. Yes, naturally occurring radioactive material has far longer half-lives than nuclear waste. Nuclear waste has a much shorter half-life than the natural radioactive ore that it came from, the uranium and possibly in the future the thorium. And so in the same way that it's in the earth generating heat to make geothermal energy, we could concentrate it as a form of waste. Ideally, it would just be the fission products because we would be recycling. But if we're not recycling, then you do have the rest of the transuranics that are in there, and they would be concentrated, which is why you need a geological repository that's licensed and fully regulatory compliant in order to make sure that it's safe. So you can spin the narrative how you want, and you can adopt whichever narrative that you choose. I would just encourage you to do one that's fact-based and look at the facts before you adopt a narrative, and hopefully that will help us to choose science over fear. I hope that helps. Thanks for the comment. Have a good day. Bye.